Sorry, that last video just got interrupted. I thought I was going to lose it, but Apple, thankfully, saves your video when somebody calls. Anyway, ZVS, flyback to spark gap right here. And the reason I put the spark gap there was just so that I would know that I was actually generating high voltage off of this thing. And as it turns out, the only way to do that is to put a voltage regulator here. That little guy is a 12-volt regulator. This whole thing is on 12 volts. I've got a battery underneath and all kinds of wiring. And anyway, driving this thing at 12 volts, and if I pop this off, if I pull this capacitor bank off, like so, I turn on the power, you can see that I'm entering the spark. Oops. Well, the spark just died. That's too bad. Interesting. Something is either overheating or heat sinks are okay. MOSFETs are a little warm. It's possible that I just popped a MOSFET. Well, okay, so what I was going to demonstrate was that this thing is not really pushing enough current to charge up this. Let's see what happened here. Okay, it works again. Good. So something's overheating, and no, it's done. Well, I have a little bit of a problem. I'm either not using the right MOSFETs, or my voltage regulator is... No? Something's going on. Well, shit. What I was going to show was that I'm driving Spark, and when I just drive Spark, what the hell? I must have a loose connection. Man, doing this shit and taking video is a bad idea. Don't do what I'm doing right now. Everything's plugged in. Turn on the light. Oh. Gap must be, must not be, the gap must be just at the critical point. I'll bet if I close the gap it'll work. Hold on. Close the gap. One-handed with phone in my hand. Gonna put the phone down. Okay. Alright, and we're back. Nope. Huh. There's something a little bit wrong here, and I don't quite know what it is. So, okay, so that's the end of the episode. I'll be back and I'll show you how I fixed it. The story that I'm going to show you once I fix it, however, is that I'm able to drive Spark on this, but when I pump the capacitor bank here, this is a 6,000 volt capacitor bank, I think something like 0.33 microfarads. It's been a while, yeah. Probably 0.33 microfarads. And it's got bleed resistors across it. I'm not able to pump enough current to fill it up at high voltage. I'm measuring that here. This would be my DC smoothing capacitor bank if I were able to fill it up. What I'm trying to do is produce high voltage DC. So anyway, I'll be back when I get it fixed. Take care. Bye. Shine out.